Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on Blip HR. To do so, firstly, you need to download the application Blip. Open your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar, type in Blip. As the search result, you can see the Blip app as the first option. Click on it, and over here, click on the download button to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet speed. Once it has been downloaded, click on the Open button. It will take you to this interface. Over here, it says Login with Bright. Click on it. It will take you to this login portal. Enter the email address of your account. Once you do that, enter the password of your account. To confirm what you typed, you can click over here on the eye icon. Once you do that, click on the Login button. You will be logged into your account. Also, you guys can log into your account using Apple, Facebook, Google, or Microsoft account by clicking on these respective buttons over here. So, this is how you can log into your account using Blip application. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.